Welcome back to my page. Let me show you how to bypass FRP on this Tecno Pop 7. As you can see, this Tecno Pop 7 BF6. If you look up, you see a lock icon here. So the phone is on FRP lock. So I want to show you how to bypass it without using your system. So just watch carefully. From here you skip, then skip from here also. Okay, from here you have to connect your hotspot. As you can see, this place you cannot skip. You can see now. So the phone is on FRP lock because of this icon that is here. So let me connect my hotspot. Anytime you finish resetting phone, it will always show a place where you can connect your hotspot, so you don't need to do any extra thing. So just follow me step by step now. So just go back from here and come back again. You will see that skip will show. As you can see, it's showing next now. So let me show you that the phone is on FRP lock, because some people always say that the phone is not locked. So I normally use trick to trick people. So that's why I'm proceeding to, so that you can see that the phone is on FRP lock. You will see that the phone will require me, as you can see, it's saying I should put pin, and I don't know the pin. It's either you put pin or you use Google account. As you can see, it's either you use pin or you use Google account. So I don't know the Google account and I don't know the pin. So we are going to try two methods in this phone to see if it will work. We'll try the first method and the second method. There are also different types of methods. So from here, turn off your hotspot. So let me show you from beginning. You go click next, click next. Then when you see these terms of use, turn off your hotspot. Okay, then from here, this is the first method we are going to try. Click next. From here, go further, accept everything. Okay, then from here, use face unlock. Click pattern, anyone you want to put, set it up. Let's see if it will work. As you can see, let me lock the screen and open it. It's not working. So let me just try it again. As you can see, let me try to set up pattern. It's not working. So let's go back and try the second method. So from here, connect your hotspot back again. Just wait, let my phone connect so that I will show you what to do. Connect the hotspot back again. Please like this video, share this video for others to benefit. You see this icon here, click on that icon, then click on this nearby, click on it, then click on turn on down here, turn it on. Then this place that you are seeing, need help sharing, you click on it, then wait for it. You will see three dots on top by your right corner. You can see that three dots. Then click on it, then click on share article. Then you share it to Phonic. It's always easy to use Phonic. Then click on it, then click on accept and start. Then click on this home icon. Okay, so that it will take you to home. Then from here, turn off your hotspot. From here, turn off the hotspot. Then you swipe down. As you can see, it's showing connect to network. So you will click that connect to network. It will take you to settings. As you can see now, it has taken us to settings. So the first thing we are going to do now is to turn on our accessibility menu. So you go to special function, then click on accessibility menu, then turn it on, allow. Got it. Look at it here now. So let's go back again. You have to turn on your hotspot back again. So go back entirely. We are going to the beginning again. So we are almost done. So from here, connect your hotspot back again. Let me turn my own hotspot on. Let me turn my hotspot. Is connected now. Then from here, you click next. Then click next. From these terms of use, turn off your hotspot. Turn off the hotspot. Okay, then click next, then click accept more, click next, going. Okay, from here skip. So from here, don't touch anything. Now turn on your hotspot back again. So just wait for the hotspot to turn on. Okay, as you can see, it's on now. Then click on the accessibility menu, click on assistant. Then just wait for it to load. Then click on use without Google account. click on it, then click on here done, click on done, then just wait for it. You can speak with your mouth and say open settings, it will open, or you use the keyboard icon from here, then type open settings, it will take you to settings, open settings, as you can see. So just click on it, it will take you to settings. Just wait. As you can see, it has taken us to settings. Let's go to app management, app management, app list. Click on app list, click on app list, Android setup. Look at what just happened here. Click on Android setup, it's not working. As you can see, it's not working. So sometimes if you click on Android setup from here, it's not working. Let me show you another method you can use to force stop anything you want to force stop. Go to battery lab, go to battery settings, battery usage, click on battery usage. As you can see, look at Google Play service, look at Android setup, everything is showing here. So even if you try to force stop it from the other side, or you try to disable it and it's not showing, this is another method you can use. As you can see now, I force stop Android setup, then Google Play service, for stop it also, then disable it. Very simple. As you can see, it's showing time here, it's not showing that lock icon again. Then go back, we are done, we are done. Very simple. Then now click here, just wait for it to load. We are done already, we are done. Very simple. Please, if you have any question to ask me, you can drop it on the comments section. Like this video, share this video for other people to benefit. So after everything, you have to make sure that you enable Google Play service back. You can see the message is popping up from up here, so you have to click it, make sure you enable it back so that the phone will work properly. As you can see here, enable, so you enable it, that is all. So let me set up password in the phone so that you can see that the phone, I can set up password. Some people have been saying that after the FRP you cannot set up pin, you cannot set up this. So let's go to settings and set up password so that you will see that I can set up password in the phone even after FRP. This is still the same phone, is not another phone. So just watch carefully, go to security, then let's set up pattern, any pattern want to set up. So let me set it up so that you'll be sure. You can see I'm drawing L, so you can draw anything you want to draw, as you can see now. So I'm done now. Let me lock the screen and open it again so that you will see. As you can see now, it has opened. Very easy and clean, as you can see. Please share this video for others to benefit. If you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.